Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change colors in Excel pie chart. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data, product category and sales amount. To create the pie chart, first select the entire data. You just drag with the mouse and select your entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Charts group have a pie chart. Just click on this drop down arrow and select here the first simple pie chart and you can see the pie chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. So here I'm going to change the colors of this pie chart. Simply click on the charts and go to the chart design tab. In chart style, have a change color option. Just click on the drop down arrow and here you can see there are two ways you can change the color in colorful options and in monochromatic option. Okay, so here you can see the colorful palette is one available. These are all colors showing in the pie chart. When I keep cursor on second palette, see all this color is showing on the pie chart. Same as for third, same as the fourth, and here the monochromatic also you can apply. When I keep cursor, see all this color is showing in the pie charts. You just drag the mouse and here you can see lots of palettes is available. You can just keep cursor and apply and you can change the color here. Okay, just click on it and you can see your pie charts color changed. Okay, now if you want to change the background color, okay, this background color, so you can easily change it. Simply go to the format tab and here in shape styles group have a shape fill option. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the color those you want and you can see your background color also changed. Okay, so this is the way you can change the color in Excel pie chart. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.